Jonathan Sherman here. Today we're going to go over a stock trade I did in a company called TIM. They're a Brazilian telecom company, and in front of us here is their website. They've been a public company for a long time. Let's look at the profile for TIM. They've been in Brazil for 25 years. They have 60 million mobile customers, approximately 180,000 kilometers of fiber optics throughout the country, and around 30,000 sites. So they're a major player in the telecom industry in Brazil. When I got involved in the trade, what was interesting was they were growing sales and earnings quite fast. Analysts were quite positive on the stock. And the stock chart looked like it was about to move higher. Institutions were acquiring shares, and it looked like it was about to move significantly higher. Let's take a look at how the trade unfolded. In front of us here is Form 4797 from my tax return, and the symbol for TIM at the time was TSU. And so I purchased 2,000 shares in the stock on the 3rd of January, held it for a little less than a month, made about 7.5 points on it. So in total, made a little over $15,000 and about a 25% return. Let's take a look at the trade confirms and see how this trade happened. So here's the stock, bought 2,000 shares at once. I didn't average in. I bought it at 27.3 on the 3rd. The company at the time was I can't say that, but it was TIM, right? Held it for a little less than a month. And here's the closing trade. Sold it on the 1st of February. Sold 1,000 shares at 35.12, another 1,000 shares at 35.1. And that was a trade, a simple little trade. Made a quick 25% in a little less than a month, or just about a month. And it's a trade that you can do. There's no reason why you can't find these kind of trades if you know what to look for and how to enter the trade, when to enter the trade. In the next video, we're going to go into a trade I did in a home service provider. They are a contractor. They do things like remodels and things like that on homes. And I'm going to show you why I got into the trade and how the trade did. It was a really pretty good trade, made about 25% on the trade, and it'll be interesting. So I look forward to showing you the next video.